what's up? It's your boy Scudder. I'm back with another video, and today I'm in my friend's E63S. Isn't she a beauty? This is a bad boy right here, man. And you see those numbers right there? V8 bi-turbo, 900 horsepower. It's about what it has. It's a little bit above stock, so I'm gonna have to be real quiet with her, real sweet on that pedal. So let's go along for a drive, man. Let's go, let's go. Safety first, let me put on them seatbelts, man. Just take a minute to look at the inside of this car. I haven't even started on the outside yet, but take a minute. Take a minute, man. Mercedes, man, they always doing their thing. Always doing their thing, man. So as far as I know, the E63 is the next level up from the E55. And the E55 was around for many years, and then they came out with the E63. And the E63 is definitely a rival with M5s, BMW M5s and Mercedes. Sorry, not Mercedes. BMW M5s and Audi RS6. So let's just take a roll around and see what it's like. Now, as far as I was told by the owner, this is definitely a little bit above normal in stock. A lot of things has been done apart from the turbos. That'll be his next level up, as he says. She sounds like a beast, man. Sounds like a beast, moves like a beast, and lets you know she's no joke. Do you hear how she rolls, man? She's a beauty, man. She's a beauty. Now, the stock version of this, it comes at around 600 horsepower. And from what I was told, she's pretty close up to the 900s. He was lucky enough to buy this off of someone that owned a performance shop and did some upgrades to it. And he's also done some upgrades to it also. But I've seen her move many times when either I'm in my GSF or in my GS300 turbo, and she just gets up and rolls away, and she's a top-end, happy, go-getty car, man. Four-wheel drive, and she just gets up and hooks and moves. And even when she's rolling and you step into that gas, man, you just feel her just plant them tires and start gripping and moving hard. So, and the next thing, and I'm not even going that fast, I'm still in the neighborhood, but I do feel the seats ready to give me a nice hug and lock me in for the ride. There's one thing about this car, man. It's built for purpose. It's built for performance, and it lets you know that she's here. I don't know if you guys can pick up on that turbo noise, but she sounds crazy. Now I know he's had it now for maybe about a year and a half, and I really have to ask him how he stumbled up on this one. I don't know if he was always a Mercedes guy, but I know he took a test drive of it and it just sold him on it, you know. So anybody that's in the lookout for these type of cars, you know, I don't know which one will be best to buy. You know, you really gotta, you just gotta test drive them. You gotta test drive the E. You have gotta test drive the M5, and of course our RS6. But I don't know, man. This one definitely got me thinking. Oh, she's a beauty. She's a beauty. So let's take a look on the outside. Let's take a look. Look at them red calipers on here, man. Woo-wee. It's got that full spoiler kit on there. Front lip and everything. Oh man, she's a beauty in this color, and the red just makes it pop on her. Really, really nice. But the angles on this is just an amazing car. Mercedes really did a good job in everything on here, and the owner, of course, he's done a few things on here himself. So it's just an amazing car that, whew, it's definitely going on my bucket list of cars to own. I think in that range of cars, the M5 or RS6, I had a serious passion for the station wagon version of the RS6. And the M5 has just always been, any of the M series has just always been, you know, crazy cars that you dream of owning. But this one needs to be on the list also, the E63S. But enough of me in the neighborhood. I'm going to carry it on the street and really just kind of open her up a little bit, see what she's like. So here's the engine bay before I do carry it out on the road. And as you know, with these AMGs, look at that. Handcrafted, buddy. Look at that. So it's got upgraded intercoolers, downpipe. It's got downpipe to the mid pipe upgraded, and turbos will be next. So we're at a stage 2 tune. We're almost there. The intakes are upgraded, you know, so we're getting there on this. This is stage 2. Transmission is also tuned. And look at those rims have just been redone. They clean up real nice. They look real good. I should have took a video of what they looked like before. But it's a beast, man. So alright, let's go on the road. Alright. You gotta hold that's nice. We're out and rolling. And I'm just in sport mode. Sport plus. From what I understand, there is a race mode. And the owner for the car has never driven it in race mode.
You're here now.
And he's sitting in the passenger seat.
Go for it, man.
Oh gosh. Alright. Yes. Okay. just
On the way? 14.
casually got up to with me hitting the pedal, just lightly getting on it in the race mode. Popped up a while ago.
No, you'll see right here. 320.
Traction.
Yeah.
It was holding the traction a while ago because it wanted to wheel spin. You saw that?
Yeah. When that wheel spin, it pulls you all over.
Yeah.
Gradually getting it.
What I've noticed about this car, you don't want to just put your foot all the way to the ground because it will wheel spin crazy. So you want to gradually go into it and feel that the boost kick in and the power just of that roar of that 4-liter V8 just come on. How she feels, how she goes. You know what? We're going to have to conclude with this video. We're going to come to an end because she is warming me up, man. She's warming me up. Alright guys, this is Scotty, man. Until the next video, I'm out. I ain't got nothing else to say, man, but this thing is crazy. She moves hard. She moves hard. So next video, man, somebody got an M5 for me to drive? An RS6? Because that's the challenge for this car. I don't know if y'all ready for this one. So, as I said, like, comment, subscribe, man. Scudder out.